The new organization dashboard in TeamOhana is designed to give leadership teams real-time visibility into how the organization is growing, spending, and tracking against plan. Leaders can pull up the dashboard during weekly hiring reviews, monthly forecast check-ins, or anytime they need a clear view of whether execution is still aligned with the plan. At the top, we surface the core signals most teams look for first. Headcount shows current employees and the year-end forecast, which helps answers whether growth is tracking to plan. Fiscal year cost reflects fully loaded fiscal year costs, so finance can see the downstream impact of hiring decisions as they're happening. And terminations and new hires shows quarterly movement, giving context on whether changes in headcount are driven by growth, attrition, or both. Now, everyone can work from the same shared context, all in one screen. Needs attention highlights items that require action by the user, whether you sit in finance, HR, or talent. Unclaimed employees points to employees who exist in HR systems but aren't mapped to a hiring headcount. Missing compensation flags records that can't be fully costed yet, which affects forecast accuracy. Hiring past due shows approved roles that haven't been filled on schedule. And terminations without backfill surfaces attrition that reduces capacity without an identified replacement. From this view, I can click into the list of all of these headcounts so I can take action quickly before problems escalate. Organization growth shows how headcount changes over the selected period. So I can visually understand what was the hiring plan, what's growth, and how has attrition offset it. The headcount distribution table breaks this down by division, so leaders can see where growth is concentrated, where headcount has flattened or declined, and how each area has trended over the last year. This helps connect high-level plans to what's actually happening across the org. And finally, Insights is where we're going next, moving from what's happening to show you why it's happening. Insights proactively combs through all of your hiring variables to flag key data points and anomalies, such as budget variance and hiring delays from plan, recruiter capacity constraints that quietly slow growth, and org design signals like compa ratio drift and spans of control that create downstream costs and performance risk. What makes Insights different from other tools is that it continuously monitors how approved headcount plans, hiring execution, and cost evolve over time. So while your HR systems like Workday record transactions and FP&A tools reforecast spend quarterly, neither understands exactly how hiring plans, execution, and cost evolve together day by day. Insights is continuously watching those patterns and surfacing anomalies as they form, not at quarter close, not after budget reviews, but while there's still time to course correct. For leaders, this means fewer surprises, earlier intervention, and a much clearer understanding of what's likely to break next if nothing changes. For more details on the organization dashboard, please reach out to your TeamOhana account manager or support lead. Thanks for watching.